Welcome to Top Product Picks. The Best Cat Flaps is probably one of the most convenient inventions for both pet owners and their feline friends, offering a seamless way for your cat to explore the outdoors or access different areas of your home without constant human intervention. Imagine the freedom your cat will experience, the reduced stress for you, and the enhanced safety features that modern cat flaps provide, ensuring your beloved pet can come and go as they please while maintaining security and preventing unwanted visitors. This review will delve into the top-rated cat flaps available today, examining their unique features, ease of installation, and overall value to help you make an informed decision for your furry companion's ultimate comfort and independence. Number 5. Flux Phenom Magnetic Screen Door. Tired of annoying bugs ruining your relaxing evenings? Introducing a revolutionary way to keep your home comfortable. Enjoy the fresh air without the unwanted guests. Get your home protected in under 9 minutes. This screen door is designed for a quick and easy setup, with no drilling required. It's renter-friendly and can be removed just as easily. Upgrade your home's look with our sleek, modern mesh. It features a clean design with no visible lines, allowing natural light and airflow to pass through seamlessly. Experience hands-free convenience with 52 powerful magnets that ensure a gapless seal. It closes automatically behind you, making entry and exit a breeze for everyone, including pets and kids. Built to last, this screen is made with tough, reinforced mesh and tiny 1mm holes. It effectively blocks even the smallest bugs and is scratch-resistant, perfect for busy households with pets and children. Don't let the wind be a bother. Our reinforced edges and heavy-duty mesh keep it securely in place, even in strong gusts. Enjoy reliable protection all season long. What we like? This screen door offers a truly hands-free experience with its powerful magnetic closure, ensuring bugs stay out while letting fresh air in. Its incredibly fine mesh is perfect for blocking even the smallest insects. If you're looking for a convenient way to keep your home bug-free and allow pets and kids to move freely, this is an excellent choice. What people say. It was simple to install, though it did require quite a few push pins around the door frame to secure it. The screen quality was solid, fit the door nicely, and kept bugs out effectively. The magnetic closure worked well and made it easy for both us and the dogs to pass through. Easy to install and works exactly as expected. The magnets close nicely behind you, so it's great for going in and out without using your hands. Helps keep flies and mosquitoes out while still letting fresh air in. The mesh material is heavy but still has visibility through it, and the magnets holding the screen together are strong. Number 4. PetSafe Sliding Glass Pet Door, White. Install this pet door easily into your sliding glass door track. It's perfect for apartments or rentals as no drilling or permanent alterations are needed. Enjoy convenient, energy-efficient, and safe pet access in any season. It features a magnetic flap, shatter-resistant glass, and a human door lock kit for security. This door is designed with medium dogs in mind. It accommodates pets up to 40 pounds with a flap opening of 814W x 12316H. Great for apartments or condos, you can take this door with you when you move. It's designed for renters who need a non-permanent solution. Since 1998, we've created safe, innovative, and trusted products that bring joy to pets. We support the lifelong bond between pets and their families. This door is designed to fit your sliding glass door track. It features an adjustable height range from 75.78 to 80.11.16. What we like? This sliding glass pet door is designed for ultimate ease of installation, making it ideal for renters or anyone who doesn't want to make permanent changes. It offers a secure and weatherproof solution for your pet's access. If you live in an apartment or want a pet door that can be easily removed, this is the perfect fit for your sliding glass door. What people say. The door is easy to install and the cat loves it. It's a great way to give your cat independence. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with home decor. Number 3. PetSafe Easy Install Plastic Pet Door. Installing this pet door is a breeze. It's designed for a quick setup in various door types, whether interior or exterior. Crafted from rust-free, paintable plastic, this door is built to last. Its weather-resistant flap ensures long-lasting, pet-friendly performance. You can control when your pet goes in and out with the included lockable slide panel. The medium flap is ideal for pets up to 40 pounds. We are dedicated to creating innovative and trusted products for your pets. Our solutions are vet and trainer recommended for your peace of mind. For over 25 years, we've been committed to enhancing pet lives and strengthening the bond between pets and their families through safe and joyful products. What we like. This plastic pet door offers a straightforward installation process for various door types, including wood and metal. Its durable, rust-free frame and lockable panel provide security and longevity. If you need a reliable and customizable pet door for a standard interior or exterior door and want the option to control access, this is a great option. What people say. It's the perfect size for our Great Dane and fits just right. It feels sturdy and well made, and installation was straightforward. We have 7 dogs and they range from 20 pounds to around 110 pounds. They all come through the door just fine. Even the 110-pounder has lots of extra room to fit through. Super easy installation, very straightforward. Cut the opening, insert the door, and you're good to go. I installed it through a single-layer steel garage door with foam insulation, and the process was smooth. Bought the medium size for this large orange cat, perfect size. Number 2. PetSafe Extra Large Plastic Pet Door. Install this pet door yourself in minutes. It fits perfectly into wood, PVC, metal, or panel doors, making setup a breeze for any interior or exterior entryway. Built with a rust-free and paintable plastic frame, it offers long-lasting performance. The weather-resistant flap ensures your pet's comfort and can be personalized to match your home style. Gain peace of mind with the included lockable slide panel, allowing you to control when your pet goes in and out. The extra-large flap accommodates pets up to 220 pounds. This door is specifically designed for your extra-large furry friends. Its generous flap size ensures they can pass through comfortably and safely. Since 1998, we've been dedicated to creating safe and innovative pet solutions. Trust our experience to enhance your pet's life and strengthen your bond. We are committed to providing vet and trainer recommended solutions with exceptional customer support. Our goal is to create more moments of joy for pets and their families. What we like. This extra-large plastic pet door is built to accommodate even the biggest furry friends, supporting pets up to 220 pounds. It shares the same easy installation and durable construction as its smaller counterpart. If you have a large breed dog and need a robust, easy-to-install solution for their access, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It's the perfect size for our Great Dane and fits just right. It feels sturdy and well made, and installation was straightforward. Super easy installation, very straightforward. Cut the opening, insert the door, and you're good to go. I installed it through a single-layer steel garage door with foam insulation, and the process was smooth. Medium, perfect for a spoodle dog. Magnetic flap gets it dirty, therefore loses some grip at times. Glad to know replacement flaps are available in future. Number 1. Depets Large Cat Door with 4-way locking. Discover the Depets Large Cat Door, designed for ultimate convenience and security for your feline friends. It offers a simple yet effective solution for managing your pet's access. With 4 independent locking modes, you can easily control when your pet can go in or out. Choose from swing out only, in only, both in and out, or fully locked. This door is designed to fit cats up to 17.64 pounds with a waist circumference under 23.62 inches. Its dimensions ensure a suitable fit for most interior and exterior doors. Installation is a breeze with included instructions, allowing you to place it in windows, doors, or cupboards. The transparent flap and weather-resistant design add to its thoughtful features. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, this door is built to last. Its smooth, weather-resistant surface ensures it can withstand the elements while providing reliable access for your pet. Enjoy peace of mind with its brush strip that reduces noise during closing. This ensures a quiet and secure entry and exit for your beloved pet. What we like. This cat door provides excellent control over your pet's movement with its versatile 4-way locking system, allowing you to customize access. Its weatherproof construction and transparent flap make it a practical choice for both interior and exterior doors. If you're looking for a secure and adaptable pet door specifically for cats, especially if you want to manage their comings and goings precisely, this is a top contender. What people say. The door is easy to install and my cat learned to use it right away. It's very sturdy and well made, and the locking mechanism is secure. The size is perfect for my cat, and it doesn't let in too much draft. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.